In busy manufacturing and fabrication environments, safety should always come first. Hydraulic press curtains are designed to protect machine operators from dangerous flying debris and parts during press operations. These durable safety guards create a strong barrier between the operator and the machine, while still allowing a clear view of the process. Easy to open for loading and inspection, the curtains can be quickly secured during use, making them both practical and protective. Whether you're working with large hydraulic presses or smaller equipment, these curtains offer a reliable safety solution that fits a variety of machines. Each kit comes with everything you need for a secure setup, and custom options are available for unique applications. When it comes to protecting your team, hydraulic press curtains deliver safety where it counts.